WhatsApp unable to initiate call. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, what you need to do is check your internet connection. Make sure it has a very strong connection and a stable one. After checking the internet connection, go to the settings of the device and then scroll down and you can find the option of VPN. Tap on that and make sure it is disabled. Now, after it is disabled, what we're going to do is we're going to go back and scroll down to the options of additional settings. Then make sure you have the date and time in a correct region and correct zone. After checking the time and date, check on the region as well. Now go back to the settings again and then tap on the option of apps. Then select on manage apps. Now on the search bar, what we need to do is we're going to search for the WhatsApp application, or you can just scroll down and find the application at the bottom. So just type and you can search it. So here, after typing in the application, you're going to scroll and you can see the option of clear data. Tap on that and select on clear cache. Now select OK. Now go back and make sure to restart your device. So just tap on the power button and tap on reboot. Now, after restarting your device, your issue would be solved. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.